Hey everybody, welcome back to Kingna. If you enjoy classic car content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Let's jump into today's lineup of affordable classic cars for sale. First up, we've got a 1976 Chevrolet Nova for $4,900, located in Canton, Georgia. This one-owner car has 77,000 miles and comes with a yellow exterior and tan interior. It's a real survivor, stored indoors since 1990 with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. There's some rust on the driver's quarter panel, but the body is straight and the interior is in decent shape. It hasn't run in years, but was running when parked. A solid project at a great price. Next, we have a 1984 Dodge Diplomat for $4,000, located in Elkins, West Virginia. With only 45,000 miles, this former fire marshal vehicle is powered by a 3.18 V8 and an automatic transmission. It's got new tires and exhaust, but the transmission shudders in passing gear, likely needing a cable adjustment. The seller is open to trades, including old coins. Definitely an interesting classic. Third, check out this 1974 Chrysler Imperial sedan for $3,800 in Ringgold, Georgia. With 65,000 original miles, this four-door hardtop has a 440 V8 engine. The car features power windows, locks, and seats, but it's got some rust around the vinyl top and a cracked windshield. It runs rough in gear, and the tires are dry rotted, so it'll need some attention. But it's still a great project for anyone looking for a big luxury cruiser. At number 4 is a 1974 Dodge Dart Sport for $3,600 in Newark, Ohio. This slant 6 powered Dart has 48,000 miles and came from California, which means the frame and floors are in excellent shape. The seller is willing to consider trades for cars and trucks from 1980 or earlier. Great for someone looking for a solid restoration project. Next up is a 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 for $3,000 in Hopkins, Michigan. This project car has a 351 Cleveland engine, but the distributor broke off during a replacement. The seller is done messing with it, so if you're willing to put in the work, this could be an amazing classic for a great price. Sixth, we have a 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 for $4,200, located in Rootstown, Ohio. With over 100,000 miles, this car was recently a daily driver. It has a 390 engine, a new Holly carb, and dual exhaust. The suspension has been redone, and it has power brakes. The AC needs to be recharged, but it's still a great classic cruiser for the price. Coming in seventh is a 1977 Buick LeSabre custom sedan for $4,000, located in Laurel, Mississippi. This car has 67,000 miles and a rebuilt engine. The transmission has a small seal leak and the brakes might need some work, but otherwise the car fires right up. It's all original and in great condition, perfect for a Buick fan. At number 8, we've got a 1981 Chevrolet Camaro for $3,000, located in Redland, Iowa. This Camaro needs a full restoration, but it comes with a 350 engine and transmission. The seller has started some work and added new parts like subframe connectors and rear springs. It runs, but it'll need to be trailered home. A solid project for the price. Ninth, a 1977 Chevrolet Nova two-door is up for $3,000, located in Snellville, Georgia. This project car has 50,000 miles and needs new floor pans and interior work. The motor turns over and it has a clean title. A great deal for anyone looking to bring a classic Nova back to life. Finally, a 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass for $3,000 in Williamston, North Carolina. This car has 150,000 miles and features a 455 rocket motor and a 350 turbo transmission. It runs, but has been sitting for a while. With some attention, this Cutlass could be a fantastic muscle car. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know which car caught your eye or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.